Good Friday morning, everybody. Chris Allen with your first look forecast for this January 23rd. Yes, we still have a little bit of snow in the forecast even this morning. Some locations seeing some sleet, a little bit of light snow mixing in with rain. It's moving in a little bit earlier than expected, so temperatures are close to freezing this morning, but we're seeing nothing really right now in Bowling Green as of 4:30 Central Time this morning, looking live from exit 22 of I-65 and Scottsville Road. Temperatures are starting well below freezing this morning, just to the north of us. Lots of 31s off to the north, and then you start to see 32s. Then you start to get more into the mid-30s as you head closer to the Tennessee border. As that moisture moves in, it is actually warm enough to keep it mostly rain, but just above us, cold enough to where there could be maybe some sleet or snowflake mixing in. Here is Doppler Max HD again as of 4:30 this morning, and you can see the shield of moisture that is moving in from our south. And as indicated there on the radar loop, you can see the difference in the colors here indicating, well, there could be right there along the Tennessee border, maybe some mixing in. A lot of this heavier reflectivity that we're seeing down here, the oranges and reds, that's actually some sleet being reported just south of I-40, down I-65 south of Nashville toward Columbia, then over to I-24 Murfreesboro, and then heading toward Lebanon. So there is a little bit of frozen precipitation mixing in, but for the most part, what we're going to see is just a chilly rain today. At times you may find a little ice pellet mixing in. But this is going to be this kind of an event to where the cold air is going to stay back, or the coldest air is going to stay back here to our west for the time being. You see a little stripe of snow there in the Boot Hill, Missouri, and northern Arkansas. And then the rest of it is rain as it heads on off to the north and east. But we'll watch it carefully as we go through the day. Temperatures, as mentioned, in the 30s right now, 36. That's well above freezing here in Bowling Green, 37, Nashville, even 33 in Cape Girardeau, just 1 degree above freezing, and you see upper 30s and 40s with some 20s back to the north and west of us. The next 5 days, really warm again as we go from today's 42 to 50 tomorrow, 55 Sunday. So whatever falls today and this evening will certainly melt away tomorrow as we get back to 50 degrees. Future Max Predictor showing the moisture moving in this morning. There's 11 o'clock, midday, and then by, say, 5, 6 o'clock this evening, we begin to see that some of the moisture starts that transition over to a stripe of snow mixing with rain. But here's the thing to keep in mind. Surface temperatures will be too warm. Whatever falls may look impressive, but then it should melt away pretty quickly. But I think as we get on to 7, 8, 9 o'clock tonight, there will be this stripe of some decent snowfall, a wet, slushy snow. And then as we get into midnight, decent snow further east. I think if we see any accumulating snow, it's going to be east of us. And then by morning, it's all out of here. We'll just have to watch for some icy spots as temperatures will be below freezing. Future Max Snow Predictor, well, it's overdoing this a bit, but really it may come down as an inch or two of snow, but by the time it reaches ground, it's probably going to melt away and not be that big of a deal. So we're still saying a dusting up to an inch, and then minor accumulations of an inch or more east of I-65. 42 today, rain over to snow. 29 tonight, some icy spots tomorrow morning, but then sunshine and warmer around 50, all the way to 55 on Sunday. By Sunday evening, another disturbance with light rain, and that should stay mostly rain as it comes to an end Monday morning, although there could be a little winter mix in there. Then a colder 42, and we're going to stay in the mid to upper 40s for the middle part of the week until about Thursday, and we warm back to 53. But after that, the long-range forecast does indicate as we begin, or in January, get into early February, it's going to trend colder. So stay up to date with the latest weather always, 24 hours a day at WBKO.com on our weather page. Download the app, text alerts, everything you need right there. Know the weather before it knows you. Have a great day and a great weekend. I'll see you live at 5:30. Thanks for watching, and God bless.